Hello. In this video I'm going to show you where to find your eBay seller limits and why they're important. So you're a new eBay seller. Why are these important to you? Well, they're important because eBay wants to make sure as a new seller that you don't overextend yourself and that your customers are being taken care of before they kind of just let you go off on your own and do your own thing. So let's go and find out where those are first, and we'll explain a little bit more about why they're important. So go to my eBay and go to selling. This is going to take you to the eBay Seller Hub. From here, you can scroll down and you'll see View My eBay Selling. Once you click through there, it's going to show you your overview of what you had active, sold, and unsold. Show you some promotions you may have available, and then show you your selling limits. So as you can see, for the remainder of this month, there are only 10 items left to be able to sell, or $1,000 in sales, whichever comes first. So why this is important: if you click through and see how the selling limits work, it's going to take you to customer service here, and you can see that they're designed to help your business grow while making sure you give great service. So this is really, again, just a way to make sure that you don't get started off on the wrong foot. So what you can do though is go down here a little bit further and you'll see request a limit increase. They may give you a small increase at the beginning, but as you start to make sales, you get good feedback, and you just keep going, your limits will get increased. It could take 3 months, it could take a year. It's really depending on you and how you do your business. So that's how you determine where your eBay selling limits are once you start. And good luck in your selling. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please continue to visit our SellerChamp YouTube page and subscribe for more exclusive content.